On average, Americans look at their smartphones more than 150 times per day, spending approximately 2.5 hours with their phones. The bar graph shows the percentage of Americans owning smartphones by age group. The bar graph shows 6 age groups with age ranges on the x-axis and the percentage owning smartphones on the y-axis from about 40% to 100%. Now, group 1 is the age range 18 to 24 years, and 84% own smartphones. Now, 85% of group 2 own smartphones, and that is the age range from 25 to 34. Group 3 is the range 35 to 44 years, and 80% own smartphones. 70% of group 4 own smartphones, and that age range is 45 to 54. Group 5 ranges from 55 to 64 years of age, and 61% of that group owns smartphones. And finally, group 6, which is ages 65 plus, has 44% of that group that owns smartphones. The mathematical model S equals negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 81 describes the percentage of Americans owning smartphones S in age group X. Does the model underestimate or overestimate the actual percentage of Americans owning smartphones in the 35 to 44 age range? By how much? Now recall from the graph that for this age group, 80% actually own smartphones. To determine what the model predicts, we'll substitute x equals 3, since this is group 3, into the model and solve for s. So we have s is equal to negative 2 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 plus 81. Now, when we simplify, we have negative 2 times 9 plus 5 times 3 plus 81. Simplifying further, we have negative 18 plus 15 plus 81. And finally, adding from left to right, we have 78. So the model predicts that 78% of Americans in this age group own smartphones. In actuality, 80% own smartphones, so the model underestimates this percentage, and it does so by 2%.